here's the spray foam idea I had. Anyway, in here you can see how loose this mirror is. It just flops around wherever you want it to go. But down inside of here, there's a pivot point back in there. If you can see it, I'm going to fill that with spray foam. Then we're going to put it back on. Some regular great stuff. Keeping it going?
Yeah.
Should have planned this a little better. Yeah. Should have drilled a hole in there, I guess, or something. But we're going to put some foam in back here. Around this thing anyway. Since we can't get it all down inside that pivot point there. But I got some in there. So I'll spray some in back here behind the mirror on both sides. Just enough to give us a base, just so it doesn't move. It don't take much to hold it. And we'll take it and we'll stick it on here. Like so. Put our wedge in. Get it tightened down. I didn't clean my back of my mirror off, so when that dries, it shouldn't stick to it very well on the inside there. Then we're gonna have some spray foam start to come out here. We'll just have to cut it off. And I'm gonna wait a little bit here for the foam to come up to it. And we're gonna find something to use for a wedge. This piece will probably work a little bit. Just to hold it where we want it. I'm gonna go over there and sit in the seat and you can adjust it for me, and then we'll finish holding it in spot.
Okay.
Alright, so we need to go out. Keep going, or go in, I'm sorry.
Good.
Keep going. Okay, now move so I can see if I can see the boat. Nope, we gotta go in a little, up, go up. Alright. Go in just a hair bit more. That should work. It's about as good as it's going to get there. I don't know if you can see this side a little better, but the mirror is a little dark in the video here, but you can see it gets us out a little ways farther past it. See the difference, but anyways, that is my plan to fix our cheap mirror extensions on our Chevy Silverado, and hopefully the tornadoes don't blow them off, but we'll see. And thank you.